welcome. Mike Mata here. We talked in the previous NetData video about how we could decrypt, technically not decrypt, but since we have encryption going on, how we can actually see what's happening with NetData. So what I've got from that first transaction video that I did, you see that the transaction is actually encrypted, HTTPS. If I highlight that, you can actually see, it's HTTPS. We can't actually see the application request within inside, but we can see that the response took 3.8275 seconds. Now, if you have the Fiddler output or the HTTP watch output, we can also load that into NetData. We can then go to our chart. Oh, wait, cancel. I want to go to my, let's make this bigger, chart menu tab, and I want to chart the alternate transaction classes and the all higher level classes. And what that will do is plot the Fiddler information along with, and now I click chart transactions. No. And you can see here, here's the actual GET request that was made with the 4-second-ish time. And if I highlight that, we can actually see there is, and I'll make that bigger again, there is our GET request. That's the HTTPS information. 3.8275 seconds, server processing time 185 milliseconds, but that same, there's our GET request. It's a GET JavaScript, and so this is now plotted from the Fiddler information, and that was the underlying piece of that 3.8 seconds. It really took 3.28 seconds to send that data across the network. So again, I didn't have the key to decrypt it. I just used the Fiddler client-side information to plot that as well with NetData, so we can actually see what was the application request and provide that information to our app developers and say, well, here's what's taking a certain amount of time. But again, in the previous video we showed you that 3 seconds was caused by an inefficient application over TCP, so I'm not going to redo that for you. The purpose of this video was to show you how to use your Fiddler data along with NetData and see the actual application request, even though the GET request was encrypted initially. We can actually, with Fiddler or HTTP watch, plot that as well. So thanks for listening. Make it a great day.